My name is Jamie and today I'm going to show you how to create a crimped side bun. What you do is take a sort of a parting in the front from the side and twist the hair over, so you don't want to start the plait from there. And then now you start plaiting. Now I've already crimped the hair first. And all you do is first you sort of do 3 strands and then follow up like you do a French plait, but you take them under the plait. So what you do is you take a strand from the underneath, put it onto the one strand, pick another one under the plait and onto another strand. And what you do is continue doing it. And you can loosen up the braid as you're growing, because as you're plaiting rather, because if you plait the whole thing, the whole hair, and then try to loosen it up, it's gonna be difficult. So as you're going along, start loosening up the hair. So try and do it from the end of the plait, so you get like a fan effect. It just bulks out the plait, because sometimes what you have to do is to create volume. You have to back comb and apply dry shampoo, but when you crimp your hair you don't need to do nothing like that. So continue doing it, taking a strand under the plait, another from the left, from the right, under the plait, and keep on plaiting. And what you've done is you've started from the right hand side and you're gonna end up on the right hand side on the nape area. So continue doing it. It looks rather different. It looks quite classic. And as you can see, the plait is so nice and heavy, what we call a fat plait. What you do is just continue doing it. Put a hairband on to secure the plait, and then we're gonna kind of roll it inside to create a bun. But do it in such a way that the plait, it flows. This is like curved into round rather than an 8 or whatever. And then what you do is secure it with grip pins. Can you see the plait is behind the ear and it drops onto the right hand neck, so it looks gives a nice soft effect. And then ensure that it's all secured and slightly touch up and a very light spray and you're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Any comments are welcome.